So I got a question this morning regarding this problem. Actually, there's a few like this. I believe in this homework set, problems, 14. A lot of these are asking you to find a p-value. And when you find these, you're going to get something slightly different using the calculator than this multiple choice. Please be aware that when it comes time to do the short fill-in answer questions, they're going to accept a range of values. So as long as you do it correctly in the calculator, you should get the correct answer. But in this case, I'm going to walk you through this and just help you you're going to have to pick the one closest to what you're getting. So a nationwide study of homeowners revealed that 65% had one or more lawnmowers. A lawn equipment manufacturer located in Omaha feels this estimate is too low for households in Omaha. Find the p-value for a test to support the claim that the proportion of lawnmowers in Omaha is higher than 65. Among 490 randomly selected homes in Omaha, 340 had one or more lawnmowers, round 4 decimal places. So I would strongly encourage you, I don't have my tablet with me to be able to write on, but you want to set up your an alternative hypothesis. In this case, the null hypothesis is going to be p equals 0.65. The alternative would be p is greater than 0.65. So we're going to be using a proportion test. So we're going to go to stat test, and we are looking for one prop z test. We're testing, the claim that we are testing is that the proportion is higher than 65%. So we want to click higher, or we want to put the 0.65 in there as far as what we're testing, and then we're going to select greater than here. And then it says out of 497, that is our n value, it says that 340 own a lawnmower. And I believe when I calculate this, the p-value that I get, the 0.5546, you see that's not the same as this one right here. It's the closest one, but you can see it's off by a little bit. This is going to be the case, especially when you have to round your x value when I give you an n and then a percentage. But for these problems, when it asks you to find the p-value and it's multiple choice, I'm going to ask that you just go ahead and pick the one that's closest to what you got. Don't worry that it doesn't match up exactly. When it comes time to take the final exam, I'm going to be writing the final exam with the calculator as well. So I'm aware of what's going on and why you're getting what you're getting. So for this one, we're going to pick 0.0559. And that works for us. So again, I'm sorry if this causes any confusion, but just try to pick the one that's closest.